Hi Facebook team, I really cannot understand why the latest two videos I have uploaded can't even make up to 1,000 views. Okay, here's the screenshots, and I encircled or placed a borderline on the two videos I'm referring to. We used to have 100 views and above, even a half a million views. But right now, these two videos I'm referring to can't even reach 1,000 views after a few hours. Now, I understand that our Facebook page has recently received a suspension saying that the system identified inauthentic engagement. However, we religiously do not engage in fake engagement or anything alike, okay? We lost access to our Facebook content monetization tools, and now I observe my views declining based on the last two videos I uploaded. I suspect that this is because of the incorrect violation given, wherein the system is now limiting our reach or distribution to our audience worldwide. I'm hoping you can reassess our Facebook page like Anika Family Vlogs as soon as possible. It really feels so discouraging to see some other Facebook pages who are clearly violating the rules, but they are still continuing earning with their content monetization tools. Okay, and then the decent Facebook pages like us who are posting original content, we're not engaging to any fake engagement activities. We are the ones being penalized. Okay, another concern is that even when I already follow the next steps and reach out to Meta support assistant, you're not giving us any reference number for follow-ups. Okay, we receive no prompts on the screen either through mobile or desktop view, saying or confirming that after we click on the review request that it's been received by the Facebook team, and we also don't have any idea of the time frame when the issue will get resolved. Okay, so we feel like we're stuck in a limbo. We don't know whether our Facebook pages will be restored, um, or when it will be restored, or will it ever be restored after you have penalized us with the inaccurate or incorrect violation. Okay, so Facebook team, I plead that you reassess our Facebook page like Anika Family Vlogs, so that we can continue being inspired to create content. It really feels discouraging to penalize our Facebook page like this. um, I know we only had our monetization given last mid-April, and the sudden spike on our followers is because of consistency, hard work, posting quality content videos. Um, we I managed to upload multiple videos in a day or weeks because I really got inspired of the monetization tools. Okay, now even when I upload multiple videos in a day, I can reassure that they are quality content, and I even leverage my skill set to speak bilingual language. Okay, meaning I can deliver my videos, especially the Facebook tutorials in Filipino or Tagalog, and I can also deliver the videos 100% pure English, so that I can have a chance or potentially reach audience outside the Philippines, like I can reach countries outside the Philippines. For example, based on my Facebook performance analytics, we are reaching countries like Bangladesh, India, Saudi Arabia, United States of America, Egypt, even Egypt. Can you just imagine? Those are the countries I see um, who who are able to view our videos when we were monetized on Facebook. But now I'm really I feel so down with what happened, especially when it's not um, it's not correct. We were given this violation of inauthentic engagement, wherein we are doing things clean. Okay, so I'll to our audience who are listening right now in the Philippines or worldwide, outside the world, outside the Philippines, meaning other countries uh, who can speak English or who understands the English language. I hope you can sympathize with us, and if you're also experiencing the same thing, you can feel free to comment, and we can share our thoughts, and we can continue our conversation from there. Um, okay, what I'm trying to do right now is to paste this information on the on this option on Facebook, because I have already tried to reach out to the Facebook Meta AI support and then submitted review request, but I really couldn't speak to someone. So I'm looking on this page under help and support, report a problem. Okay, and then continue to report a problem. Okay, and then I will include the screenshot or recording. So I'll just select pages and then a record screen. So for this one, I can upload on my phone. I think I can once I finish the recording on this video, I'll upload it on my I'll also select the record screen option, but for now I'll just place the text I created. Okay, and then upload from phone the picture and then send the report. I'm not certain whether this one will work, but I at least we tried something out on our end, so that Facebook will notice our claim that we shouldn't be suspended, and we shouldn't lose access to our content monetization tools due to inauthentic engagement, where in fact we're not engaging into any um follow to follow, or we do not engage into fake engagement activities and groups. Okay, thank you so much. See you and stay tuned on our next video.